This car I came to Auto Salon to see. This is the Daddy Motorworks Hachiroku with a GR Yaris engine swap. So 3-cylinder, making, what did they make, like 230, something like that, factory. It's not running currently, but he's been working feverishly to get this thing done for Auto Salon. And the panel work and everything, just he was bead rolling panels. I mean, I was just watching this car come together on Instagram, just kind of like mind blown at the detail he was going to. It's a super, super cool Levin. I mean, the engine alone is cool, but wide body front and rear, Chevron Racing wheels. Look kind of like old Hasemis almost. I'm not sure what rear brakes those are, but look at this thing. We'll get in the interior in a second. Let's pop at the front real quick. Big calipers, big rotors. Wheels are a nice touch. Aftermarket mirrors. Interior stripped to the minimum, bare basics. It looks like we got some relays on the floor over there. Carbon or FRP, lightweight Recaro. Switches and a tablet display dash. Hard to see, apologize for that. I'm running on a link. I mean, look at the bead roll detail. Not just a hood cut, but bead rolled hood cut. Hood exit exhaust. There you go, 86 roots, mouse, Ishikawa body. Let's see what we can see out back here. Oh, fuel tank's right in the rear. Sump is there. Suspension. Bead rolled license plate delete with sticker on it. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. Like, just detail, detail, detail. And right up until the limit, he was bead rolling these rear panels. Fuel cell there. Very cool. Just to see, you know, someone kind of do something totally unknown, totally unexplored in a Hachiroku. Just again, Apex twin cam. Oh, that's what I was like. That doesn't make sense. Apex twin cam 12. It's a 3-cylinder, so yep. 3 times 4 is 12. So yeah, 12 valve. It's got a 12 valve swap in it, but not the 12 valve you're thinking of. Anyway, there is the GR Yaris engine, and packaging-wise, I'm not saying the swap is going to take off, but you know, look where you're landing. You got enough room for a 7 mount. Yeah, flat intercooler up top, radiator tilted. Wish it was a little brighter here, but hopefully this thing usually does good on lighting. But surge tank, electronic throttle body, football in the exhaust, titanium piping. I mean, this dude was just going crazy. There we go, fitting with the channel recently, the restore parts booth, and then I got the flyer. Here's what you can get to replace the rusty panels on your 86 and make yourself your own Tofu 86. The Impulse Hachiroku, and this thing's all carbon. As far as I know, carbon, 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 carbon. Of course the bonnet, carbon. All carbon. 20 valve setup in it. ITB's looking good. I know the channel's got Hachiroku fans. I am as well. Did you see one in all carbon? Like, what a move, man. Thanks for you guys watching. If you want to see other stuff, there's more from Tokyo Auto Salon on the channel and just other content from Japan as well. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, do all that good stuff. That is really appreciated. Try and help the channel grow. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Much love. Be well.